Vegetables. 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 Example: I bought vegetables. I bought vegetables. Carrot. 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 Example: I eat a carrot every day. I eat a carrot every day. Potato. 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 Example: I like potatoes. I like potatoes. Tomato. 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 Example: the tomato is fresh. The tomato is fresh. Onion. 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 Example: cut the onion, please. Cut the onion, please. Garlic. 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 Example: garlic has a strong smell. Garlic has a strong smell. Cucumber. 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 Example: I ate cucumber in my salad. I ate cucumber in my salad. Lettuce. 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 Example: the lettuce is fresh. The lettuce is fresh. Cabbage. 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 Example: she is cooking cabbage. She is cooking cabbage. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Example: I like cauliflower. I like cauliflower. Broccoli. Broccoli. Example: broccoli is healthy. Broccoli is healthy. Spinach. 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 Example: spinach is good for you. Spinach is good for you. Peas. 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 Example: I like green peas. I like green peas. Green beans. Green beans. Green beans. Example: we had green beans for lunch. We had green beans for lunch. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. Example: this bell pepper is red. This bell pepper is red. Chili pepper. Chili pepper. Chili pepper. Example: This chili pepper is very hot. This chili pepper is very hot. Eggplant. 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 Example: She is cooking eggplant. She is cooking eggplant. Zucchini. 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 Example: I bought some zucchini. I bought some zucchini. Pumpkin. 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 Example: The pumpkin is big. The pumpkin is big. Radish. 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 Example: I like radishes in my salad. I like radishes in my salad. Corn. 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 Example: The corn is sweet. The corn is sweet.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel Learning Spark, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Also, follow us on our social media platforms for more English tips, daily expressions, and extra practice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.